Well, folks, the holiday season is coming to an end. Thanksgiving is cooked, Christmas is all wrapped up, and yes, those puns were absolutely intended. But now we look forward to New Year's Eve and the coming of the new year. And I don't know about you guys, but 2024 was a hell of a year for Coach Vino. I had some ups, I had some downs, but overall, I'm the kind of cat that's just grateful to be able to take another trip around the sun. But when I do look back at 2024, I feel really good about a lot of the stuff that I was able to accomplish. And those that I wasn't able to accomplish, look, I know that as long as I keep on trying, there's always tomorrow, right? And speaking of tomorrow, when I do look toward 2025, look, I got a lot of stuff that I hope to accomplish, and I feel really good about being able to do those things. But one thing I always try to do, I always try to keep in mind the bigger picture. And the bigger picture is to be the best version of myself. That is always the ultimate goal. And I hope that you guys are able to do that every single day. All right. But in terms of specific goals, down in the comments section, do me a favor. I would love to hear what is something that in 2024 you were able to accomplish that you're really, really proud of. I don't care how big or how small, just what is something that you worked hard at in 2024 and you were able to accomplish it. I'd love to hear it down in the comment section. And then also share with me something that you hope to accomplish in 2025. Again, it doesn't matter how big or how small. I would just love to hear what is something you hope to accomplish in the new year, right, folks? Now, speaking of the new year, today's cocktail couldn't be better named to welcome in the new year. And this cocktail is called the Long Hello. That's right, folks. And it was created by Damon Boelte over at Prime Meats in Brooklyn, New York. And let's just look at what is in the sauce before we get to making this cocktail, right, folks? The first thing we're gonna need is some Elderflower Liqueur, and I'm gonna use Old Reliable, who here is Saint Germain, right? And then we're gonna need some apple brandy. Now, you guys know I love Laird's apple brandy, and I tend to use that in my cocktails, but today I'm gonna be using Calvados because it's a little more elegant, and this is a sparkling wine cocktail, so I wanna make sure that I have something that's a little more sophisticated, a little more elegant, you know what I'm saying? But if all you have is Laird's or some other type of apple brandy, absolutely go ahead and use that. It's still, as long as you have an apple brandy in the cocktail, right, folks? And then we're gonna use some barrel-aged bitters. Now, I'm gonna be using Woodford Reserve Bourbon barrel-aged bitters. You can use something like Fee Brothers barrel-aged bitters, anything that's barrel-aged. You just want something that's gonna give you a little bit of a woody.
Wood.
No, I'm not talking about that kind of woody. I'm talking about like a woody flavor. Hey, you guys, get your mind out of the dirt. All right, guys? Anyway, but look, if you can't get a barrel-aged bourbon, you can definitely just use something like Angostura bitters. This one dash is not gonna make or break this cocktail, right? And then, of course, we're gonna top this off with some sparkling wine. I'm gonna be using some Prosecco, but you can use actual champagne, or you can use some Cava, an American brew, whatever you got, as long as it is a dry sparkling wine, right, folks? And then we're just gonna garnish that with some fresh nutmeg powder, and there you go. We're gonna have our Long Hello cocktail, right, folks? So let's go ahead and mix this bad boy up. All right, so let's go ahead and give our Long Hello cocktail a sippy sip. Cheers. Obviously, right in the nose, you get those beautiful nutmeg aromas from the nutmeg powder, which is always such a delightful scent. Oh, that's nice, guys. That is exactly what you think it is. It is elegant. It is really bright. It has a smooth, vibe going on. I mean, it's a great way to welcome in the new year in a very welcoming way. You know what I'm saying? You get those beautiful apple notes from it almost has like a Martinelli thing going on because of the apple notes and the sparkling wine and stuff like that. You get just a touch of the woodiness from the bitters. And then the Elderflower Liqueur is really there to just brighten things up with these beautiful floral notes, big white fruit notes, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, guys, a really delicious cocktail to bring in the new year. And, if there's anything I want to leave you guys with at the end of this video is just, no matter what happens in the new year, just try your best And just know that no matter how the year ends, just know that you gave it everything you had. And you can't look back with regret. Because regret is the heaviest burden that you can ever carry with you. You know what I'm saying? So you don't want to have any regret. You want to look back knowing that you did everything you had. Chances are, if you give it everything you had, you're gonna get a lot accomplished, right, folks? So look, I look forward to doing some more great cocktails, making you some more great cocktails in the new year. I look forward to hearing from you guys down in the comment section throughout the year. You know, I am so freaking grateful for this community of mine. You know, I'm a small channel, but let me tell you something. It is a big, big community of beautiful people. So that's all I give a shit about. I don't care about anything else except knowing that you guys and me are connected, having a great time, enjoying cocktails together, enjoying just being the best version of ourselves, like I said early on, right, folks? So happy new year to you, to your families. I wish you all the best. I love you guys. And I cannot wait to just explore 2025 with great cocktails, great motivation, and libations, right, folks? Cheers and happy new year.